morning from the parking lot of the Hilton. It's the longest day yet. 177 kilometers. It's a bit flatter today. We got to make it up to MacGregor Point Provincial Park tonight. I'm trying to get there before sunset so that I can do a physical check-in. Otherwise, I just go to the campsite, check in and check out in the morning. Anyways, let's get on the road. Bridge Trail, this one's called. Good combo here. I stopped at Subway, got a sub to go, and I'm gonna grab Tim Hortons for lunch. It's only 11, and yesterday I got hungry really early, so I figure I need something portable to eat for later in the afternoon so that my energy doesn't give out. I needed some hydration in addition to caffeine, so I don't know how good this is, but turkey bacon club, small coffee, and some orange juice. I haven't been drinking too much water today, so it means I have a lot of water with me for this stretch run that I'm about to do, where it's a bit more isolated. All fueled up, time to get back on the trail. There's actually not that much rail trail here for the rest of the day, I think. I think it's all country roads after this. Now we're really remote. So the official route called for a detour for some of those trails, which, as I mentioned, a bit too muddy right now, and all these leaves make them a little too slippery. So if you go straight through this road, which is pretty flat, pretty scenic, it'll connect to the rail trail sooner, meaning flat, speed, all the way into town. Isn't it great when shortcuts work out? Look, there's the rail trail. Feeling a bit dehydrated, so I pulled off the trail for an Esso. Got me some juice and a refill of water. Got about 60K to go, so this should hold me through. Pavement, 1.5 kilometers left. I made it, here we go, park registration office. It was quick and easy, campsite number 97. And here we have it, campsite 97, got some water, that's good. Here's my bike. Got a pull through, which I clearly don't need. Picnic table, which I'll lock my bike to. Probably set my tent up right there. I won't be using a campfire tonight because I ain't got no time for that. Dinner time. Day 2 was from St. Jacobs to MacGregor Point Provincial Park in Port Elgin. Total distance was about 175 kilometers. I did that in 8 hours and 19 minutes for an average speed of 21 kilometers an hour. That's up from yesterday's 18. And my total elevation was 872 meters.